Biology Part 136. Specialized example of hydrostatic skeletons in vertebrates include the action of aqueous and vitreous humor in maintaining the shape of the eye, and the protective efforts of correspondal fluid and the amniotic fluid imparts the hydrostatic forces resulting from turgor pressure, as described in the tutorial, are vital for the support and rapid treatment. The exoskeleton. Number 2, exoskeleton. These are hard external coverings like the thickened curricles of arthropods and the shells of mollusks. The insect curricle consists largely of the chitin and an extremely tough polysaccharide material, which is made almost completely waterproof by a thin surface layer of wax. Tutorial 49. This combination provides a very versatile building material with almost ideal mechanical support and properties. Structures derived from the cuticle, including wings and mouth parts, allow insects to cope successfully with many different lifestyles and to exploit many different diets. On the other hand, the exoskeletons work best for small organisms and become thicker, heavier, and less efficient as size increases. The largest present-day insects are 10 to 15 centimeters long, but most species are much smaller. Number 3, the endoskeletons. Some protozoa belonging to phylum Antipoda and phylum Foraminifera deposit internal skeletal to silicia SiO2, strontium sulfate SrSO4, and the calcium carbonate CiCO3. But there are few other examples of the internal skeleton among the invertebrates. In contrast, many plants are supported by internal rods of vascular tissue. In trees, ignified xylem vessels form a solid core, allowing the heights of 80 meters to be reached, as in joint redwood sequoia trees. The largest animals are the vertebrates with an internal supporting framework made of the cartilage or bone. Their organs and tissues are bound together and supported by the connective tissue. The remainder of this unit describes the structure and properties of the individuals and explains how they are used in human skeleton. The skeletal material. Connective tissues. As the figure shows the appearance of the one common type of connective tissue, as you can see that the individual cells are loosely scattered and are surrounded by a mixture of chemicals known as the ground substance or extracellular matrix. There are many. The most abundant proteins are collagens, and there are several different kinds of cells the most numeral, and fibroblasts, which secrete the mixture of protein molecules and polysaccharides. The most abundant proteins are collagens, while the polysaccharides belong to a group called of Grammes oligocene.